I'm back again with another video, and today I'm finna react to BTS Jin on the Jimmy Fallon show, talking about him after his military service, surprising his BTS members, and also his nickname, which is Worldwide Handsome. He was saying all this on Jimmy Fallon show. This is a new kind of video. I usually react to music BTS video reactions, but today is gonna be Jimmy Fallon, which is a little different. Shout out to Jimmy Fallon too. I watch him sometimes, not all the time, but his videos, some of the guests that he has, they're entertaining as hell. But this guest that they have a BTS member, BTS Jin. But yeah, without further ado, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know any other videos y'all want me to react to in the comments down below. And without further ado, let's get into this Jimmy Fallon talking show. It's crazy. If you're watching this and you've actually been to the military, shout out to you guys for actually risking your lives just for us. I've never been to the military, but I've seen, pictures, videos, and I'm pretty sure being in the military is not something I want to do because, a lot of risks have to be taken. But shout out to the people that actually went to the military, because I know how traumatizing that can be, especially the stuff that they see in there. Couldn't be me.
What is he playing? Is he playing Careless Whisper? No, what is he playing? Not this music. No. 사실 이때가 제가 you were also this summer you were the torchbearer during the Olympics representing.
That's a tough picture.
What did that mean to you?
Oh, very handsome guy.
I mean, that's his worldwide nickname.
Very handsome. Are you talking about the picture or me?
Bruh.
Picture.
Oh yeah, picture.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Jimmy thought it was him.
Worldwide Handsome is a nickname that is around for you. And who came up with that name?
아무래도 잘생겼다 보니까 제가 스스로 짓기는 했는데 저를 가장 잘 설명하는 별명인 것 같아요.
So you came up with that nickname?
Yeah.
I mean, that's confidence. You gotta give him that. That's
You
confidence.
also
Jin.
There's Jin right there.
Yeah.
That's sick.
이거 알아채기 힘든데 잘 알아보셨네.
I recognize that. I recognize that as soon as I seen it.
Very handsome genius. Yeah. Every track has a unique sound. There's a lot of rock on this. Are you a big...
제가 학교 가서 이거 주라고 한번 얘기해 볼게요.
You always just spreading positivity and joy. That's one of the reasons why I love about you and BTS. Your first solo album, you wanted it to go happy. Why was that important to you?
이 행복이란 게 저에게 굉장히 중요한 단어이고 또 제 가치관이기 때문에 이 해피, 한국어로 따지면 이제 행복인데 그 행복이 그냥 중요해가지고 이 중요한 거를 음악적으로 한번 표현을 해보고 싶어서 해피라는 타이틀로 만들게 되었습니다.
And the song...
볼 수 있는 기회가 많지 않다 보니까 1년 반이라는 시간 동안, 그래서 그 1년 반이라는 시간 동안 팬분들을 너무 그리워하는 마음을
Live. Ooh, I gotta watch that. Shout out to BTS Jin. Shout out to, him doing time in the military, because I know how hard it is being in the military. Like, the stuff that I've seen, bro, I can only imagine the amount of trauma people in the army have. So shout out to Jin for actually, joining the military, because I don't know. I don't think I can do that, bro. Joining the military, especially what I've seen, bro. Everyone in the military has some type of trauma, because military, some wild shit happens there. Shout out to BTS Jin for actually, doing his service in the military. I salute. Without further ado, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know any other videos I want me to react to in the comments down below. And without further ado, I'm out.